Hey, welcome back to Dad's Garage. Today we're going to talk race ramps again. So a couple years ago we did the video on these race ramps. Well, this Corvette right here doesn't like these race ramps. They're just this car's way too low and it just won't work with these race ramps. So we got another set. Going to pull them out of the box, show them to you, demonstrate them, and let's see what we think. Okay, so believe it or not, those race ramps are in this box right here. Hard to believe those other ones are 67 inches long and these are 30-ish.
Oh yeah, the difference in the length.
And they're so light. There they are. Look at that. Perfect for someone that needs to get their car off the ground. Just about 3 inches.
These weigh like nothing. This
Yes.
is only 2 fingers.
Yeah, they are super light. But they will hold 1,500 pounds each, just like the full-size race ramps will.
Wait, hold on. You're good. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're getting ready to unbox and check out the front splitter and the winglet, but check it out. These are the new race ramps. I call them race ramp minis because they are shorter and lower, but check it out. This gives us a nice amount of room to be able to work under the front of the car. You're not gonna be able to change oil or anything like that, but Tim also has these race ramps, which, you know, me and Steve have done some videos with the race ramps over at his house.
All right, so this race ramp video was a very super quick video. I just showed you, unboxing, demonstrating on a few times. They're fantastic. They are great. They get me under the Camry for oil changes. Don't know if they'd get me up high enough to do the Corvette oil change, but I'll do those myself anyway. I can do it just cheap at the dealer, so I just take it to them. But yeah, these things are great, and I mean, they are so light. I mean, they weigh nothing. 2 fingers, they weigh nothing, and they will hold 1,500 pounds each. So most cars you're going to be able to put on these with no problem whatsoever. One thing I found interesting, when I pulled forward just a little too far with the Camry during that oil change, it did smash this down at the front. So you can see how smashed that is. So kind of weird there that you can smash it that easy just by the tire just touching it. But I don't know what to say. They're made out of foam. So how they hold 1,500 pounds each blows my mind. So anyway, that's probably the only thing that it's kind of weird about what happened with them. But other than that, man, I love these things. I got rid of the other race ramps because they are, I mean, they're too steep for the Corvette to use. I really don't need to get that high with the Camry because the only thing I ever do to it's an oil change, and these do just fine, as you saw. So these for me are just perfect for like 150 bucks. You can get them on Amazon or you can get them at race ramps. Either way, I'm sure a lot of other people sell them as well. But I give 2 thumbs up to these. I love them. I am so glad to have these. I stash them just on top of the cabinets over there because they keep them out of the way. And then I just grab them, bring them down from there whenever I'm ready for them. So anyway, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for joining me, and we will catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.